Good evening, welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. Before going to the Thursday's prediction, I would like to review today's market closing. Nifty ended up in the positive 10,116.15, around 16.50 points in the positive, 0.69% in the positive, open around 10,072.60, high went around 10,148.75, low went around 10,036.85. Let's go to my prediction review. In our range, all indications shown negative, around 1 points only difference, so it may have a fall, after that may recover, like that I was given. But one key point which I highlighted is that the level, once again we saw the same kind of pattern. Volatile came inside the negative, which means the bullish is intact if the market is not breaking the overall average. We saw so many times. And one more key point which I updated is that the test level which came in the negative side, but on Tuesday the test level is came in the positive side. You can check my past video, so that is also indicated. And one more key point is also highlighted: if the market is open 0 to 30 points in the positive, and not breaking the previous closing stop loss level around 10,036.65, means it may have a chance to go extremely bullish as well, like that told. I will show that video as well. You can check my video in that extremely bearish to any extent. It may not even fall down, so that is also possible, but the condition must be previous close must not to break with the stop loss, which means previous close is 10,046.65, so stop loss is minus 10 points for the bullish, so 10,036.65 must not to break if you want to extremely bullish. But with that, you can check that video as well. And what it is indicating that the market is not broken that particular low exactly with a point around 0.20 points above that level. I have given 10,036.65, but the market has kept above that level 0.85. It is not broken that stop loss level and went up. Even two times it has tried in this particular range and gone towards the positive direction. So these are all the data which it will have that indications well in advance, because one indication it shown that volatile level came inside the negative, and it is an indication that the market will having chances to go bullish, even though four indication and the test level is also in the opposite direction, so it will go towards to the positive. So these are all the facts which we need to follow. And surprisingly the market has closed in the range of around somewhere as expected. I mean the high is kept in the range of resistance level 3, 10,148 is the high, and we have given the 10,150 the resistance level as well, and the market is closed in the range of 10,116, which is in the positive average 10,114. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday. Thursday the ratio is indicating positive 7:6, average indicating negative 1:2, weightage indicating negative, but absolute frequency evenly poised. So it is kind of mixed kind of data. Evenly poised means all three results are possible. 33% chances in the positive, 33% chances in the flattish finish, 33% chances in the bearish. So all three results are possible. It is not going to be that much easy, but still we need to play other parameters as so it may end up in the extremely bullish and bearish, so I'll let you know. But the ratio indicating positive, which is indicating after a positive direction it will have a chance to fall. Likewise the same, the average is indicating negative, which means the difference of 1 point indicating the recovery will be there, which means it is kind of volatile market it is showing. So we need to play as per the data and our prediction, which is anything above the volatile level the market is opening means pre-opening means we need to keep the overall average as a stop loss around 10,103.10 as a stop loss, and go for a buy is advisable. Anything pre-opening above the volatile level. On the other hand, if the market is opens in between volatile level to previous closing, which is less than 21.25 points to 0, anything open that level, we need to keep stop loss in the range of support level 1 around 10,088.95 and go for a buy is advisable. On the other hand, if the market is opens in the below volatile level around more than 17.50 points, anything open below that level, we need to keep as a stop loss in the overall average plus 10 points. 123.15 is the stop loss for the bearish, anything open below this volatile level. If anything opens in between the previous closing 0 to volatile level, means we need to keep stop loss in the resistance level 1 plus 10 points, so 10,166.65 points in the stop loss we need to maintain for the bearish. So if anything breaks that bearish open target level, means we have two support level, then which is around 10. The stop loss we can keep as 10 points, means 10,020.15 is breaking, then it will go extremely bearish. It will go to any extent because we have a small support level in those two levels. Once if it is breaking, means we have a huge gap around 200 points. It will go to any extent after breaking 10,007 with the stop loss of 10 points. So we need to play much more cautiously on the downside on those levels. It will go to any extent just like that. Likewise the same, if the market is breaking the bullish open target level, means we have the two to three resistance levels around 10,218 to 10,249. If that level 10,249 is breaking, means it will go to the next level of 10,349 and 10,446 and then 10,583. These are the levels. I would like to highlight the summary as well. So these are all the prediction summary. As we know, anything above that level, keeping stop loss. Anything between 0 to below this level, keeping stop loss 10,880.95. And the bullish open target level is we're having around 10,000 to 21.25. Then these three strong resistance levels. Once if it is breaking those three levels, it will go and try to fly towards to these three levels. Almost 100 points is having that third resistance levels to the next level. So once if it is breaking, means it will fly. Likewise the bearish level, if anything pre-opens below this level, then we need to keep stop loss in 10,123. Anything above and previous closing in between those level, means we need to keep stop loss 10,166. And the bearish open target level comes around 10,020. We have two support levels, as you know. Once the support level is breaking, then we have huge gap, almost 200 points. So all three levels, support levels, are having huge gap. So crucial level is that we need to watch out whether it is breaking that 10,000 mark range or not. If it is breaking, it will go just like that, anything. And the bearish stop loss must have to keep 10,166.65. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.